Hello guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill an area with water. Using this trick, you will be able to fill large areas with water in just a few seconds. First, you need a bucket of water. You might also want an infinite water source. Place water sources on every other block along the edge of the area you want to fill. This should fill the whole area with water source. This also works with more than one layer of water. Just keep placing the water on every other block. As you can see, the whole area has been filled with water. That's all. I hope you learned something from this video. Please remember to subscribe to the How To channel.